I am Deepak. I lead a team of herbicide resistance biologists within Syngenta.
So, Deepak, can you explain to us a little bit about the sort of work you do to understand the differences between pinoxidin and the other chemicals?
First and foremost, we do typical glasshouse-based herbicide resistance tests at the controlled conditions. For that, we take a range of sensitive and resistant wild oats and ryegrass, and we look at the relative efficacy of the different herbicides on them.
So Deepak, can you tell us a little bit more detail about what you found, for instance, on wild oats in your tests?
In the wild oat test, we compare pinoxidin with a typical FOB herbicide, such as phenoxypyr. On the sensitive population, both herbicides work well. That is, the plant will kill, as you would expect. But when it comes to the resistant population, there were 5 or 6 of them, then pinoxidin worked very well, but not the FOB. We also noticed that the speed of action of pinoxidin was faster than the FOB herbicide. For example, on the sensitive population, we got control much earlier with pinoxidin than the FOB herbicide.
Again, can you tell us a little bit about what you found on the ryegrass tests?
On the ryegrass test, we employed 3 different herbicides: pinoxidin, which is a DEN, conofob, which is a FOB, and pyroxulam, which is the Zulam of the ALS mode of action. Again, with the sensitive population, all 3 herbicides work very well. But with the resistant population, pyroxulam and conofob failed to provide satisfactory control, while pinoxidin was excellent, killing all the plants.
So Deepak, you've done a lot of extensive work here over the years, which shows that pinoxidin AXIAL is performing differently and better than other standards. Could you summarise overall your conclusions?
So pinoxidin, because it is structurally different, behaves differently on resistant populations. So it can control FOB specific target site and FOB metabolism, and also ALS metabolism. These results were also found by external academics both in the UK and worldwide.
Can you say how that relates to field performance and experience?
So the result that we see in the glasshouse is totally translated to the field. That is why AXIAL is a great product, not only in the UK, but worldwide.
This extensive ongoing research at Jellett's Hill explains to us why AXIAL has provided excellent control of wild oats and ryegrass over the last 10 years.